high table. First will be Her Excellency, the wife of our great leader, Ms. Suchi Tokukano, who will be joining us through the Zoom. Next on the list, it's Attorney Bruce. Attorney Bruce is an American lawyer who specializes in constitutional and international law. The former Deputy Attorney General of the United States under Reagan administration. And by grace of God, the international lawyer and spokesperson for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra. Amen. Mr. Bruce, I humbly welcome you to the high table, please. A round of applause, please. Next on the list is Reverend Father Augustine Odimaka, PhD. He's a doctor of social justice from Fordham University, a very strong advocate for freedom. Father, you are welcome, sir. Thank you. Next on our list is Professor Anthony Ejiofor. Professor Anthony Ejiofor is a biological science, biological science professor at Tennessee State University, a world-acclaimed professor in research and educational leadership. Above all, a Biafran by birth, Professor Ejiofor. If you are here, please make it to the high table. He's here. I saw him. He was with us before now. When he comes, we shall usher him to the high table. Next on this, I will call on